Hello, this is Tom from everystepcalculus.com. I'm going to show you how my programs work with the product rule for Calc 1 and how easy it is, how sure it is, and let's get started. You have to put index 8 into the entry line here to get to my menu, which you're instructed to do in my instructions. Press enter here. We're already at the product rule. You can see quadratic formula, quotient rule, all kinds of things you can choose from my menu, and you go up and down my menu, whatever, with the cursor here. I'm going to choose product rule. Product rule, any two functions separated by a time sign is the product rule for differentiation. And if it had a division sign in there, you'd be doing the quotient rule. So you have to know some things about calculus and have to remember certain things, and that's one of them. So keep that in mind, it's very important. You write all this down on your paper. You don't write the formula, the word formula, the product rule. You write these down on your paper to remind you, as you would during a test or whenever, homework, of what you're doing. And then we're going to enter our function. You have to press alpha before you enter anything into my entry lines here in my programs. We pressed alpha, and we're going to put the quote here. You have to do the example of what it is. They have to be in quote in parentheses with a time sign in between. First parentheses, we're going to put the function in of this test problem. This is an actual test problem from some person who didn't do very well in the test. He would have gotten certainly 5 points on this problem if he did it correct, and points are essential, being that calculus tests are scored on partial credit and the class curve. So we put the left parentheses in there, and we put 3 times x minus 2, close off the parentheses, put the time sign in there, put the left parentheses of the next function, g of x, which is 5 times x cubed minus x squared plus 1. Close off the parentheses. I always show you what you've entered. Make sure you entered it correct. If you didn't, you can change it. I say it's okay. F of x is 3x minus 2. G of x is 5x cubed minus x squared plus 1. Write this on your paper. And you're working out the formula. Just like this, exactly like that. All this on your paper, exactly. Don't put the answer down. You can if you want. Here's the exact answer. Pretty neat, huh? Every step. Calculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and certainly subscribe to my future videos and blogs on calculus.